If you're used to getting a tax refund, experts say it will be similar to pre-pandemic levels, so much lower than in previous years.
It's going to be a big shock for a lot of people.
Taxes this year are coming with a lot of surprises, one of which is the Earned Income Credit, which is for workers with low or moderate income. Taxpayers with no children who claim this will get a maximum of $560 in 2022. That's down from the $1,500 you saw in 2021.
This year that has changed. You can no longer use 2019. So with job income increase and things like that,
this means you will not be able to claim your 2019 income. Also, returning to pre-pandemic levels is the child tax credit. Last year, filers could receive up to $3,600 per dependent under 17. Samantha Anderson with Stober's Tax Service walked me through how this year will be different.
it's going back to pre-2022. So now you're only going to get $2,000 per child, and your 17-year-olds will not qualify.
Another change is, of course, the stimulus. We didn't have that last year, so you can't claim it on your 2022 return.
The past 2 years on your tax return, if you never received your stimulus when it was first, sent out to everyone, you could retrieve that on your tax return.
You'll also notice changes in the Child Independent Care Credit.
If you have child care expenses, they were allowing like $8,000 as a refundable credit.
But that's no longer the case for this tax year. The maximum amount of care expenses you're allowed to claim is $3,000 for one person or $6,000 for two or more people. Now, Anderson also says it's best to file early so your tax preparer can help if there's a situation if you owe before the end of the season rush. In Louisville, Taylor Woods, WHAS 11 on your side.
And Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear wants to remind you that tax filing assistance is available from the Kentucky Department of Revenue. This free service is available to anybody with an annual income of $60,000 a year or less, or any Kentucky state government employee. Appointments are open now. In-person assistance will be offered on Tuesdays and Thursdays from February 2nd to the 13th. To schedule an appointment, you can head to the Kentucky Department of Revenue's website at revenue.ky.gov.